One of the things that annoyed me with the Roadster was the seat belts. It has belts that are fixed and static, and the belt is routed underneath the hood. So whether the hood is up or down, that seat belt has to go under the hood. And when the hood is down, it restricts the movement of the seat belt, as I'm sure people with these belts will know. A friend of mine had a belt years ago that you could unclip from the deck at the back, and you could thread it either over or under the hood depending on whether it was up or down. And I thought, what a good idea, but I couldn't find one for love nor money. There doesn't seem to be any used ones about that are in any fit state. Most people seem to have to buy new webbing for the fittings that they've got from the original cars. But all was not lost. I came across a company called Quick Fit Safety Belt Services, High Wycombe, and for a fee they will build you a complete set of belts with this very special keyhole fitting for the rear deck, so that you can unclip and clip on the belt to go over the top of the hood when the hood is down behind you, behind the seats at the front. So that's what I did. But I've bought a brand new set of belts. The turnaround time is quite good, only a couple of weeks. If you avoid Christmas, you might get it faster than that. So that took me around an hour and a half, pushing 2 hours, just to make sure all the bolts were tight and it fitted properly, and I've got the seat belts in the correct way around. But now the belt goes nicely over the top of the hood to the rear deck. Very easy to move the belt around. The original belt that was there was starting to look a little bit frayed in places. So now I have these nice brand new seat belts, and I can unclip and clip that rear deck belt on quite easily. Very quickly, if I need to have the hood up or I push it down, I can just undo that belt, slide the belt over the top of the hood, and it's much more comfortable on my shoulder position now.